Good afternoon and welcome to my presentation. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Purwa and I am a college student from UMN. Today, I will discuss about transportation and the topic that I'll bring includes of the explanation of what transportation is and what are the best form of transport in Indonesia, especially in Jakarta, based from my opinion and thorough research. So, what is a transportation? Transportation is the movement of goods and persons from place to place and the various means by which such movement is accomplished. Transportation options itself are very diverse. In Indonesia itself, there are many transportation options that can be used, and all of these transportation options help us in our daily activities. But what is the best transportation to use in a city like Jakarta? As we know, Jakarta has the highest level of traffic jam in Indonesia, making Jakarta a city with a very dense population. In addition to being densely populated, Jakarta also has hot tropical weather conditions, making the temperature in Jakarta change without certainty. This condition greatly affects the use of transportation that can be used in Jakarta. Okay, let's start with public transportation that is provided in Jakarta, such as Jakarta and KRL. Jakarta is a bus designed for transportation in Jakarta that can capacity about 40 to 45 people. Jakarta itself operates in various parts of Jakarta, so every citizen of Jakarta can easily access it. And Jakarta is cheap because we only pay for 3,000 to 10,000 rupiah based on the distance we are going. And the buses are mostly clean and comfortable. Jakarta and KRL or we say train um, have many similarities because it both accommodates the same principle of transportation, and the cons are mostly same, such as both of them can sometimes get a bit crowded, and those crowded people makes bus and train have no privacy sometimes, and also the waiting time for a bus or train to show up is sometimes very long. Next, there is also another option like personal vehicles such as car and motorcycle that are more private and flexible to use because it's your own property. Owning a private vehicle also means that we have to be responsible for the use of our vehicles. Private vehicles have many benefits such as being more flexible because we can use them freely, and also we get more privacy because we don't have to share with others. But private vehicles also have a negative side, especially with the condition of Jakarta. Private vehicles can get stuck in traffic jam at any time. Irregular traffic and the amount of stress faced when driving using private vehicle is unbearable. Private vehicles are also very expensive to buy, especially after buying them, we ourselves still need to care the vehicle itself, such as service, gasoline, cost, parking, and etc. Finally, we can move forward to transportation like online transportation service such as Gojek and Grab. Gojek and Grab make it easy for many people to access transportation easily through online services where we call drivers from anywhere, anytime, and to anywhere. Gojek and Grab are very easy to use and can reach everyone, which makes everyone rely on Gojek and Grab for daily transportation. But Gojek and Grab also have weaknesses, namely their expensive, unstable prices, case of crimes against passengers, yeah, that happens a lot, and other problems such as unstable networks and connection make it difficult for some people to access the application. And from the data and analysis that has been done, I can conclude that trains and buses are the best type of transportation that can be used in Jakarta. From the dense population and as well as the changing weather, make some private vehicles and vehicle services such as Gojek is a bad choice because not only will take a long time in the traffic jam that occurs in Jakarta, but also with the pollution, hot weather, and the density of the city in Jakarta, the city of Jakarta, which makes it difficult for vehicles to pass. So public transportation is a more reasonable alternative and has a better impact to the sustainability of Jakarta. The all types of transportation can be used by everyone and are their respective choices. So the conclusion is the usage of transportation varies to each individual needs and what's best for them.